Good morning. It's May 12th. It's Tuesday. Yoo-hoo! Hey, Remo asked you a question today. He wanted to know if you know who the famous cousin that Jesus was related to. And his name was John the Baptist, or baptizer, because that's what he did. He went around baptizing people. See, John went to people and he said, "You need God in your life." Yes. And then Jesus came right after him so he could be in our life. Yeah, it's awesome. So anyway, that was the answer to yesterday's question. So Remo today, besides being excited about Donut Hat Day, Remo wants to give you an idea. When we're working away, we kind of get tired of schoolwork sometimes. It can be a long day. There's so much to do and so much going on. So here's an idea that helps Remo. It's even helped me, and maybe it can help you. When you've kind of had enough and you need a break, try this. Stand up, turn around, shake it out, do your best. Let's do it together. You ready? Here we go. Stand up, turn around, shake it out, do your best. That helps. Sometimes we just need to move a little bit, and then we can get back into the groove of working, doing our schoolwork. All right, Remo's got another question about tomorrow. Tomorrow. His question is, what is the tallest animal in the world? He doesn't mean who can climb the tallest, like this monkey in the library. Which one is the tallest? And so we'll tell you the answer tomorrow. So remember, today we're going to work hard, we're going to do our best, because we're going to stand up, turn around, shake it out, and do our best. Have a great day.
Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Needham here, and I'd just like to take a couple of minutes and show you some research apps that we have available during remote learning time. And so from our remote learning links page, in the lower right-hand corner, there are 4 apps: World Book Online, Culturegrams, and then a couple of different versions of World Almanac. We're going to look at World Book Online and Culturegrams right now. I'm going to click on World Book Online. And from home, you will need a username and password. And if you don't know what that is, you can ask your teacher or you can reach out to me, and I would be glad to give you that information. Once you get into WorldBook, there's several different databases that you can access. Most of what we access in the elementary school, at least for grades 2 and above, is the kids database. Some of the older students may want to also compare the student database when they're doing their research. Early learning, that's going to be research for kindergarten and first grade primarily. So let's go ahead and look at the kids database. Every time we launch into kids, it's going to bring up an interesting article. There's going to be a different picture each time. If you're interested in that picture, this happens to be about glaciers, you can click right there and it will take you into the article about glaciers. There's also many different activities that you can do down here, looking at maps. There's some learning games. You can compare research important people, important places, lots of pictures. Don't forget to check out The World of Animals, one of my favorites in there. But many times when you're doing research, you know exactly what topic you're looking for, and you can just click in the search box and type in that. I'm going to just look for the country of Australia. If I start typing the word Australia, I don't really even have to finish it because it's going to bring up some suggestions there. And so this is just an example of the type of article that you might find. There's going to be a picture. There's going to be some facts about, in this case, the country of Australia. There might be some videos or some sound bites there. Every single one of the articles can also be read aloud by just clicking on the speaker icon there. And when your teachers are asking you to cite your sources, at the very bottom of each article, you're going to have your source that you can highlight, copy, and paste that information in, so you can give credit where credit is due. Let's go ahead and just hop over to the Culturegrams database right now. Again, that's from the Remote Learning Links page. Go to Culturegrams. There will be a username and password that you need to use from home. And if you need that information again, reach out to either your teacher or to me, and I would be glad to help you with that. Within Culturegrams, there are 4 different databases: World Edition, Kids Edition, and then there's states and provinces for Canada. The Kids Edition is the World Edition. It's just really focused on the elementary learner. So click on Kids. We'll explore there. And at the top, you can type in the country that you're looking for, or you can search for it by region. I'll just show you how to get there by clicking on the picture. I click on Australia here. Down the left-hand side, it's going to give me lots of information, lifestyle. Life as a kid is kind of a fun section to learn about what the life of a kid in different countries is like. You can find out about animals, what their money looks like. You can see their flag, maybe listen to their country national anthem. There are images that you can copy and paste into your report. Every one of the countries has an infographic, which is quite interesting. All sorts of data just shown in a very easy to understand graph. Also down the right-hand side, you're going to find videos from that country, photos, slideshows, maybe listen to an interview of someone that lives in that country. And then up on the top, there's this graphs and tables section. So you can pull out all sorts of information about various countries by checking out the graphs and tables. And then those are really easy to insert into your project, your report that you're presenting. So we looked at the country of the Kids Edition countries. Let's just hop over to States Edition right now. And very similar to the countries, you can just click on one of the states here. Down the left-hand side, it is going to give you those links. You can find some recipes from those that state. You can look at state symbols, the state bird, the state flower, the state tree, etc. And quick facts in the middle. And there's also graphs and tables for the state. So that was a very, very quick look at Culturegrams and World Book Online. Happy researching. If you need anything, don't hesitate to reach out to your teacher or to me, and I would be glad to help you with these databases. Bye.